Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an aloe vera sulfate free conditioning shampoo. Sulfate free shampoo doesn't strip the hair of its natural oil. It doesn't irritate the scalp and rarely causes allergy. It is a cleaner and more natural alternative because sulfate shampoos can leave an unwanted film behind. Sulfate-free shampoos contain natural oils, so they can smooth down any unwanted frizz that can come with abrasive oil-stripping sulfates. This is especially great for taming the unwanted effects of summertime humidity or the dry hair we experience in winter. Let's see how you can make your own aloe vera conditioning and clarifying sulfate-free shampoo from the comfort of your home. Here are the stuffs we're gonna be needing for making this sulfate-free shampoo. A measuring jar and a spatula. This is our soap base, castile soap. Liquid castile soap is a sulfate-free natural soap base made from saponified organic oils of coconut and sunflower. We have castor oil. We have aloe vera, 100% aloe vera gel. We have lavender essential oil and peppermint essential oil. We have flaxseed oil and a container for containing the products. We commence. I put 250 ml of castile soap. You can get this online, Amazon or eBay. About 2 spoons of castor oil, 2 spoons of flaxseed oil, or tablespoonfuls, about 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, some drops of lavender essential oil for the scent, and some drops of peppermint essential oil. This helps in clarifying the scalp, treating dandruff, and avoiding irritability of the scalp, itching. We mix all together. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and conditions your hair. Keratin, the primary protein of hair, consists of amino acid, oxygen, carbon, and small amounts of hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Aloe vera has a chemical makeup similar to that of keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, giving it more elasticity and preventing breakage. Flaxseed oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are both needed for health. Lack of these essential fatty acids may lead to the brittleness of the hair. Omega-3 fats nourish the hair follicles and encourage hair growth. They also prevent inflammation and help prevent dandruff and other scalp conditions. Yeah, our aloe vera sulfate-free clarifying and conditioning shampoo is ready. Yes, with the pack of all these goodness from the aloe vera, flaxseed oil, castor oil, peppermint, and all that, we made the perfect pack for cleansing and clarifying, also conditioning the hair at the same time. From the look of my hair here, the shampoo foams very well and also clarified the hair very well. So we got all we need in a natural hair shampoo in this pack. This is the final result. The hair is well washed and cleansed, conditioned, and have defined coils in the same process. All the goodness of the shampoo showed in the result. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, like and share this video. Thanks and bye.